And I'm right back. I've only just turned the camera off and on to restart the recording from the last video. I've probably got time just to stay here for 10 more minutes to get one more vid, and then I am going to have to go off to work. Because I am back at work. I've said that about 20 times already, but I'm happy. I feel really bad about being so happy about it, because I know there's so many people that have lost their jobs during this awful year, and I know it's been so hard for everybody, so I feel so bad and sorry for those people that no longer have a job. And I don't know, I wish them all luck in the future and I hope things get better for them and they get something soon. As in a nice new job or a nice new opportunity. I feel very, very fortunate that I've managed to keep my job through all this. Because there were times when, I'm not going to lie, I was worried. A big chunk of old wooden stuff that he's moving over there. And I may go around the corner for a bit to film. I think the view from here is quite good, but it might be better around the corner. Because I don't know, let's just try. I'm going to wait for these cars to pass and then I will get around the corner and film from there. I'm just going to wait for these two red cars to pass on either side, and then I can just boogie on right across the road. And let's see what the view is like from the back. I'm not going to go up my little hill today, because I can't risk getting my shoes muddy, because I work in a leisure centre, and the absolute very last thing I want to do, oh look, I need to pull that out from the hotel, unless somebody's just left it there, I don't know. Yeah, the last thing I want to do is get my shoes muddy when I'm working in, the last thing I want to do is get my shoes muddy when I'm working in a leisure centre, and I don't want to traipse mud all the way through the centre. This might not be the best place to watch. I don't know, what do you think? It's a different view, isn't it? It's good to give you a different view. You can really see from here how much of the mess has gone and been cleared. I mean, all that metal there will all be recycled, sold. And I'm guessing a lot of this stuff will be recycled, because from filming at Wilco's and all that demolition, most of what used to be Wilco's, all the rubble, all the metal, all the rebar, the stainless steel supports and everything, is almost all going to be reused and recycled in one form or another. And that's great, because I like the idea that things are recycled. Oh, and it's just starting to lash it down. I'm gonna try and cover my camera up, but I may have to just turn it off. I've got my glove over my camera to try and just shield it from the worst of the rain, because my camera is waterproof and a little bit of rain won't hurt it, but obviously a lot of rain will. And I think for this bit, folks, I have got us in the best place for me to film it and for you to watch it, because look at him pulling that door off. We would not have got that view from the front, would we? There's the water on the camera, let me just wipe it. Again, sorry about my big clumsy finger over the lens. I'm sure there are many better ways to wipe the camera lens. I don't think it's stopped now. Oh, that's good. So I think I'm just going to stay here and film the rest of this video. And there really only is a small part that's left to come down. I don't think I'm going to get all of it on film, because by the time I've gone to work and tomorrow it will all be gone, I would think. But I will get as much of it as I can for you. And looking at those bricks there, they'll probably have to get the cherry picker up again and pull them down, nudge them down by hand maybe. I don't know, he might be able to do it with his diggy scooper thing. He is very precise with it. Whilst this is a good view, it's not the best view for filming the front bits, but I am glad I got that pic on camera when he pulled that door off his side, because I was at the best angle for that. There you go. Anybody need a carpet? Hoping I'll see these windows come out. So they haven't got glass in them, they've got like steel plating over them, metal plating, whatever it is. I don't know any of the technical terms for any of these, so I just make up my own. And then in my own head they become canon to building terms. Get that digger in. Hey, down it goes. going to leave this one here for now, folks. I hope you enjoyed this bit of the Ambassador site demolition, and I will see you very soon in the next video. Goodbye.